I forgot the mic was off. I just wanna actually say I haven't played since 1 month. I said, yeah, I think, yeah, I said 1 month. So we're playing this right now. I actually lost, so I have to do it again. Time to redo. This time we're not gonna be losing on this one because we were at the hard part. Yeah, the hard part. I can't believe I just lost. I have to try again. Where are all the people? I'm here to party. Okay, I'm scared. I'm dilim. I'm scared. I need people to protect me, but there's no people. I'm scared. I'm scared. Ah! Puta ka! Puta ka! Puta ka! Tang ina mo, tinakot mo ko. Pucha ka! Pucha ka, tang ina, tinakot mo ko. Tinakot mo ko. Putik ka. Ang tagal ko na hindi. 1 month pa lang, takot na ako. Alam ko na nga to, takot na ako. Putang ina ka, kumain ka muna. Taba mo. Ay, taba. Ay, OP ka. Grabe. Takot ako. Putang ina. Oh, come on. Tao. No people. Takot ako. There's no people. 10 minutes lang to, no? Pag wala akong nahanap, pag-alib ako, tapos i-end ko to. Takot ako. Natake pala ako doon. Ilang tao, no? Lalo ba sila? Hindi. Playing alone. Joke lang, hindi ako mag-usap. Hindi ako sanay talaga paglaro mag-isa. Takot ako. I-end ko to pag pag 10 minutes. Pag hindi ako nakaalis dito, tawag dun ends. Wait lang. Ito dito ako kanina eh. Balik tayo. Takot. Nakakatakot. I'm alone. Natakot talaga ako, guys. I'm scared. I'm not capable of playing this game. Kasi nakakatakot. Ayoko na talaga maglaro. Paano kaya huwag tayo maglaro nakakatakot? Laro kaya tayong yung favorite ko. Turuin natin kaya yung favorite ko. Kaya. Sige guys. Kung may oras pa tayo. Aray mo. Get it. Pagkain. So guys, pangit. Mama. So boring. Am I just gonna walk? Oh! Natake ako!
What's your name?
Sabrina. Naglaro nakakatakot.
Yung Tagalog? New friend!
Putik natakot ako.
Let's go! Hey! Let's go!
Where we go? What? Putik.
They're very good friends.
Why do you keep coming closer? Leave me alone. Wait. Is he a pervert? Okay, I was joking. He's not a pervert.
Let's go!
Yes, I'm playing Roblox. Hello!
Let's go.
Give me a second. This is a person.
Hey,
Wait.
tara, laro tayo.
Wait. There is a person. Wait. Ah! Mama! I'm running for my life. I'm running for my life. Stop it! Give me a second. I'm running for my life. He is. Wait, give me a second. Oh, he's still touching me. Is it he?
Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go. Sub.
You have to redo everything.